Welcome back to part 03 of the best 15 foods to burn fat and lose weight. The sixth food is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a fermented liquid that is made from apples. Apple cider vinegar has many health benefits, including lowering your blood sugar and insulin levels, improving your digestion and gut health, and reducing your inflammation and cholesterol levels. Apple cider vinegar can also help you burn fat and lose weight by increasing your satiety and reducing your calorie intake. Studies have shown that taking 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar per day can lead to significant weight loss over 12 weeks. You can dilute apple cider vinegar with water and drink it before meals, or add it to your salads and dressings. The seventh food is chili peppers. Chili peppers are spicy vegetables that contain capsaicin, which is a compound that gives them their heat. Capsaicin can help you burn fat and lose weight by increasing your metabolism and thermogenesis, which is the process of generating heat in your body. Capsaicin can also reduce your appetite and calorie intake and improve your blood flow and fat oxidation. Studies have shown that consuming 2 to 10 grams of chili peppers per day can increase your fat burning by up to 10%. You can add chili peppers to your soups, stews, curries, or stir-fries, or eat them raw or pickled. The eighth food is oolong tea. Oolong tea is a traditional Chinese tea that is partially oxidized, which gives it a unique flavor and aroma. Oolong tea has similar benefits to green tea, as it contains catechins and caffeine that can boost your metabolism and fat burning. Oolong tea can also enhance your insulin sensitivity and glucose tolerance, which are important for weight loss. Studies have shown that drinking 2 to 3 cups of oolong tea per day can increase your fat burning by up to 12%. Thanks for watching. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos.